Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cat eye polish is probably one of the most mesmerizing nail trends, offering a captivating, gemstone-like effect that's perfect for adding a touch of glamour and mystique to your look. This video will dive deep into the world of cat eye gel polish, exploring its unique application techniques, the wide array of colors available, and most importantly, helping you choose the perfect shade and brand to achieve that stunning, magnetic cat eye effect you've always dreamed of. Number 5. Beetles Cat Eye Gel Polish Kit. This stunning set offers 6 glamorous colors with a mesmerizing cat eye effect. Create unique nail art with ease, thanks to the included magnet. With this kit, you can customize your cat eye nails. The metallic glitter powders create a gorgeous, shiny finish. Enjoy a flawless manicure that lasts for 28 days or more. It's strong, long-lasting, and flexible with excellent adhesion. It's quick and easy to apply. Cure it under a UV LED lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. Remember to use a base and top coat for best results. This chic and compact set makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's perfect for personal use or to pamper your loved ones. Always do a skin test before use. For optimal results, hold the magnet 3 to 5 mm above the nail for 5 to 10 seconds. If the magnetic effect fades, add another layer. What we like? This set offers 6 gorgeous colors and a magnet for endless customization. Its long-lasting formula ensures your manicure stays flawless for weeks. If you're looking for a versatile and long-lasting cat eye gel polish, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The colors were great and love the quality. This is my second set of Beetles cat eye polish I've purchased, and again, not a disappointment. They're one of my favorite brands, to be honest. The colors are beautiful. The magnet that comes with it works too good. I was surprised on that one. These red gel polishes are excellent. The quality is great, and they apply smoothly in 2 thin coats. The color is vibrant and even, making them perfect for a flawless manicure. Number 4. MIZHSE 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the captivating allure of our 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish Kit. This complete set includes 6 vibrant shades, 2 magnetic wands, and a black base coat, providing everything you need to create stunning nail art. With its chameleon-like colors and mesmerizing galaxy effects, it's easy to achieve a professional-looking manicure at home. The unique magnetic formula allows for endless creative possibilities. It's designed for long-lasting wear, lasting up to 4 weeks with proper application. Its high-quality formula ensures a smooth, glossy finish that will turn heads. Whether it's a special event or everyday wear, this versatile polish adds a touch of glamour to any look. It's the perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. Simply apply a base coat, then 2 to 3 thin layers of your chosen color, curing each layer under a UV LED lamp. Use the magnetic wands to create the desired cat eye effect. It's that easy. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your nail game. Click Add to Cart now and unleash your creativity with the MIZHSE 9D Cat Eye Gel Polish Kit. What we like? Experience the mesmerizing 9D effect with this set, complete with 2 magnets for ultimate control. Its impressive longevity means you can enjoy your stunning manicure for up to 4 weeks. If you desire a truly unique and long-lasting cat eye look, this set is for you. What people say? The colors are nice, cures with a gorgeous shine. The colors are brilliant and it cures quickly. It comes with 3 magnets, a wand that has a magnet at each end and a third rectangular magnet. This glitter polish shines and twinkles. It's not gritty, even before top coat it shines so much. Number 3. 9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the mesmerizing beauty of our 9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gel Polish. Its unique holographic effect creates a stunning, color-changing look that will captivate everyone. It's not just a cat eye effect, it's a chameleon of colors. Watch it shift and shimmer, revealing different shades depending on the light and angle. Made with healthy, non-toxic ingredients, it's gentle on your nails and lasts up to 2 weeks with proper application. Enjoy beautiful nails without the worry. For optimal results, warm the bottle in warm water before use, especially in colder weather. Also, remember to use both ends of the magnet and cure it immediately after application. The pink base coat may appear silvery in low light. This is perfectly normal. Don't worry, the magical color changing effect will still shine through. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll assist you within 24 hours. What we like? Get a dazzling holographic shine with this cat eye gel polish. It's easy to apply and lasts up to 2 weeks. If you want a simple yet stunning holographic cat eye look, this is the one for you. What people say. The photo doesn't even come close to doing this polish justice. In person they look amazing and my customers at work keep asking me for a link to this polish. I was a bit nervous cause a lot of the reviews claim the magnet doesn't work, but after a bit of practice I had everything working perfectly. This was my first go at anything like this and I'm obsessed. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I think this is a very nice gel. Wonderful sparkle without the gray shadowing you get with some glitter and cat eye gel polishes. Number 2. 9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the mesmerizing 9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gel Polish. Its unique formula delivers a captivating, color-changing effect that will leave you amazed. Watch as it transforms before your eyes. This polish boasts a stunning chameleon color, shifting and shimmering with every angle and light. It's not just color, it's a captivating 9D cat eye effect. The magnetic stick helps you create mesmerizing designs with ease. With proper application, this polish provides a long-lasting, high-shine finish that lasts up to 2 weeks. Enjoy chip-free glamour. For best results, we recommend watching some application tutorials. A little practice will help you achieve a perfect, professional-looking manicure. Remember to clean your nails thoroughly before applying. This ensures a smooth, even application and helps it last longer. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. With a little practice, you'll master the art of creating stunning 9D cat eye nail art. What we like? This 9D cat eye gel polish offers a brilliant silver finish. It's long-lasting and creates a striking effect. If you are looking for a bold and long-lasting silver cat eye look, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Best universal cat eye that you can use on any color to give many different effects. Perfect to do velvet nails, moonlight, sparkly marble, and you do not need to apply a thick layer for it to work. Comes with a magnet and it's a great sized bottle will last for years. We use this in our salon and is the only brand that works. Does not have a black undertone. The shine looks really smooth since shiny particles are really tiny. This is fine on its own, but I liked using it on top of a milky pink or white nail polish. It gives it a grayish tone and looks really nice. You also don't need a thick layer. A thin layer shines great. Gave the effect I wanted and goes amazing over any gel color you have, giving the cat eye effect. Number 1. GAOY Glitter Cat Eye Gel Polish. Get ready to experience the magic of holographic glitter with our new cat eye gel polish set. It's easy to apply and create stunning, long-lasting nail art. Simply use the included magnet to create your desired pattern before curing. The possibilities are endless. Finish with a top coat for a gorgeous, shimmery, and sparkly look that will turn heads. It's the perfect way to add some glamour to your look. It's designed for easy application, even for beginners. With proper application, it can last up to 4 weeks. This set includes 6 vibrant gel polish colors, each 7.3 milliliters, and a professional cat eye magnet. Everything you need for a salon-quality manicure at home. For best results, gently buff your nails before applying to prevent chipping and ensure long-lasting wear. Enjoy. Cure under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds for a complete dry. It's that simple. In colder weather, gently warm it up to reduce its thickness for easier application. What we like? This set includes 6 dazzling colors and a free magnet, offering a wide range of creative options. With proper application, it lasts up to 4 weeks. If you want a wide variety of colors and a long-lasting manicure, this is the set for you. What people say. It was pretty easy to get the hang of. I used a base coat, 2 coats of polish, then a top coat. The polish added a good thick layer of color, had good coverage, and seams have good durability. First time doing cat eye and it was so much fun. It comes with a magnet, which I did not realize, so it was a pleasant surprise. I think the color is just like the pictures, would recommend. It took roughly 45 minutes, but I ended up doing my 4 years old's, my 2 years old and mine at the same time. I like the glitter color BC, it's very forgiving in showing how awful I am at painting fingernails with my left hand, so that is a plus. I really love the shiny glitter of the nail polish, and it's very similar to a liquid metal when you apply it compared to other glitter polish that is rough or clumps together. It really makes a difference BC, it's really easy to apply, and I'm not constantly trying to get the glitter to get off the nail brush or trying to press it down to stick to my 4-year-old's tiny fingers. I really love the hardness of the top coat, and if you notice in my pictures I didn't do my cuticles, and today is day 3 since I've been wearing the nail polish and nothing is broken or chipped. I'm doing a home remodel, so been pulling off baseboards and moving them all day to the garage, and I still have no scratches or dents on them at all. I highly recommend this brand of glitter polish, and I will most definitely be purchasing more of the top clear coat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.